Okay? If you have a graph, okay, quiet please. If you have a graph of a continuous line, there's no way to check that every x value only has one y value because the infinite set, you can't check every point. But what you can do is do this test that we call a vertical line test. Right? A vertical line test is try to imagine somewhere in the domain that you could draw a vertical line, meaning straight up and down, and have it cross the graph in more than one spot. So in this graph, which looks kind of like an S, you could see that anywhere from about -2 to +2, if you draw a vertical line, it's going to cross in 1, 2, 3 spots. One vertical line. So for x equals, it looks like -1.5, it's got 3 y values. That's a y value, that's a y value, that's a y value. Not a function. So the vertical line test, that's what you're looking for, to tell you that it's not a function. So this is not a function. Now, this graph, which is the absolute value function, can you imagine anywhere in here that I could draw one vertical line and it crosses in more than one spot? I mean, they've drawn a bunch of vertical lines, and each one of them is crossing just once. Actually, it's here and here. So that's a function. That is a function. And that's how you do a vertical line test. Yes? Yeah, don't be confused with the horizontal line test. Okay? That'll be something we do later in Chapter 7. But a vertical line test just shows that a relation is a function. Like, try the next couple. See if we can get those. What?
What do you find out if you do the horizontal?
You find out if the inverse is a function. Okay, how about these three? Tell me, is this first one a function or not? No. Not function because I can draw a vertical line here and it crosses in 2 spots. And how about this? Yeah, I mean, just try to picture everywhere you're going to draw here, it's only going to intersect once. So that is a function. How about this one here? It's just a finite set of points. Yeah, I mean, these two are on the same x-coordinate, right? And so are these two. So that is not a function. So, I mean, you could draw it like a vertical line if you want, but it's not a function.